In this lecture, we will be learning about the horizontal method of addition. And the best way of learning a new method of mathematics is by solving some questions. So these are all the questions that we will be solving one by one. Let's see. When the number of digits in each term is same. Here we have two one-digit numbers. Here we have two two-digit numbers. And again two two-digit numbers. Alright, so let's see. So in traditional way, what we used to do is, we used to write these numbers in a vertical manner and then add. Okay. So but this is a wastage of time, this step. Okay. So what we need to do is, we just need to say 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Alright. And then here again, we used to write like this. And then we used to say 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 plus 2 is 5, and this is 57. But then we have written these two steps, but this is an extra effort that we can really avoid. Okay, so what we can do is, we can add 3 plus 2, that is the tens place digit, and 6 plus 1, that is the units place digit. So 3 plus 2 is 5 oblique 6 plus 1 is 7. So 5 oblique 7, answer is 57. Now you must be thinking, okay, we have written so many steps here also, but with a little practice you can do these steps mentally. Okay, and this can be easily achieved. All you need to do is a little bit of practice and a little bit of consciousness. Okay, and you will be able to do these steps mentally. Alright, for the next question, 47 plus 85. So 7 plus 5 is 12, and this 1 get carried over. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 8 is 13. Okay, but then we can do this mentally also. 4 plus 8, 4 plus 8 is 12. We write 12 over here. 7 plus 5 is again 12, so we write 12 over here. This should be a unit digit only. So 1 gets carried over and this answer becomes 132. Okay, with a little bit of practice you have to achieve to do this mentally. Alright, let's move on. Let's see some more examples. Now the first question involves decimal places, and this question is also valid when we have decimals involved. So we say 4 plus 8 plus 2. Now 8 plus 2 becomes 10 plus 4 is 14. Then we have the decimal point, and 7 plus 5 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 becomes 10 plus 5 becomes 15. So this is 14.15, but this one will get carried over and the answer should be 15.5. In Vedic maths, we often use the LR method. Okay, so what is LR method? L stands for left and R stands for right. So this is called left to right addition method. Okay, and if you observe that in all the questions that we did earlier, we are moving from left to right. And in this question also, what we are going to be doing is, we are going to start from the left hand side. That is, we are going to add the digits on the hundreds place. Then we are going to add the digits on the tens place. And then lastly, we are going to add the digits on the units place. Now let's get started. So we need to add 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5. 6 plus 4 will give us a 10, and 3 plus 2 plus 5 will give us a 10 again. So we will have 20 on the hundreds place. Now we need to add the digits on the tens place. So we need to add 4 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8 plus 1. This 9 plus 1 will become 10. This 2 plus 8 will become 10, and then we will add a 4 also. So we will get 24 on the tens place. And lastly, we need to add the digits on the units place. That is, we need to add 3 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6. Now 3 plus 7 will become 10, 4 plus 6 will become 10, and we will add a 0. So the answer would be 20 on the units place. Now this should be a units place, and that is, this should be a single digit number. So this 2 will get carried over and we will get 20, 26 and 0. And again this should be a single digit number. So this 2 is going to get carried over and we are going to get 2260. So this is going to be the final answer. Now let's move on. Now we will see when the number of digits in each term may not be the same. And we have one example for this. So we need to add 327 plus 41653 plus 9486. Now if you observe, the first number here is a 3-digit number, the second number here is a 5-digit number, and the third number here is a 4-digit number. So rather than proceeding like this, what we do is we make it a 5-digit for each of these numbers. That is, we add 2 zeros, and this is 00327 plus a 5-digit number plus 09486, that is a 5-digit sequence. And we will proceed like this only. So let's get started. So what we need to do is we need to add 0 plus 4 plus 0. So this will give us a 4. Okay, now we need to add this 0 plus this 1 and this 9. So 1 plus 9 will give us a 10, and then added 0. So the answer would be 10 here only. Proceeding further, we need to add the hundredths digit. So 3 plus 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 will give us a 10, plus 3 is 13. Now let's add tens digit. So we need to add 2 plus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 8 will become a 10, and we will add 5 to this. So the answer will be 15 at this place. Now we need to add the units place. So 7 plus 3 plus 6. 7 plus 3 will become a 10, plus 6 is 16. Alright, so now this should be a units place, so this 1 is going to get carried over, and hence we will get 4, 10, 13, 16 oblique 6. This 1 is going to get carried over. Now we will get 4, 10, 14, 6, 6. This 1 is going to get carried over. 4, 11, 4, 6, 6. And then lastly, this 1 is going to get carried over, and hence we will get the answer as 51466. Now again I would like to repeat myself, all these steps have to be done mentally. Okay, you can do this. This is a very easy thing to do. Also, please make sure that I am doing this only to suggest and to show you the correct method of doing all this calculation, but with a little bit of practice you will be able to solve all these steps mentally. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So the last question of this method, that is the horizontal method of addition, is 32.715 plus 8.245 plus 51.36 plus 29.6. So what we need to do is we need to make sure that the number of digits to the left of the decimal and to the right of the decimal in each of the number are equal. So we will write it as 32.715 plus 08.245 plus 51.360 plus 29.600. So let's get started. First of all, we need to add these digits, 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2. So 3 plus 5 plus 2 will give us a 10, and we will write 10 at this place. Now we need to add 2 plus 8 plus 1 plus 9. So 2 plus 8 will become a 10, and 1 plus 9 will become a 10. So 10 plus 10 will give us a 20, and we will write 20 at this place. Now the first significant digit after the decimal, so that is 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6. So 7 plus 3 will become a 10, and added 2 plus 6, so the answer will be 18 at this place. Moving on, 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 0. So 4 plus 6 will give us a 10 plus 1, that is 11. And lastly, we will add 5 plus 5 plus O plus O. So 5 plus 5 will give us a 10, and we will write 10 over here. Then again moving on like this, we will add 12, 0, 18, decimal, 20, 10. This 1 is going to get carried over. We are going to get 1020.1920. This 1 is going to get carried over. We will get 1021.920, and then this 2 is going to get carried over. So the answer will be 121.920. And that's the answer for this question. Thank you.